So if I click on this next button, then you can see our progress steps are filling up. And if I click on this previous button, then the reverse thing is happening. So today we are going to create this intermediate level functionality. Welcome to the 18th video of real world JavaScript series. So here we are using this DOM content loaded event. And then here we are grabbing our HTML element. So here we are grabbing the progress with the help of query selector and this one with the help of query selector all. So initially our current step will be at 1. Then as user will click on this next button, we will increase the current step by 1 and run our update steps function. This update steps function definition we will see later. And then in the similar way, we will add the logic for the previous button. And here we will decrease the current step by 1 and again we will run this update steps function. Now here we have the function definition for the update step. So on our steps we are applying here for each loop. But before that, let's take a look on our HTML. So here we have all the steps, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and by default this first step is active here. Then we have this progress here, and after that we have this previous and next button. And if our index is less than the current step, then we will add the active class over here. And in the case of its reverse, we are just removing the active class. And here we are setting our progress width. So as you can see here in our CSS file, so currently we have the width as 0, and this is the same width that we are increasing in our JavaScript file. And we have further logic written over here so that we can have the value in percentage to indicate that width. And then in the next step we have the logic for disabling the button. So this was the whole logic, and if you have really enjoyed this video, then please share it with your friends and don't forget to drop a like. And in case you need this code, then GitHub repository link is present inside the description of this video. And now here we have our UI.